Have you ever wondered how to download a copy of your student roster? Keeping a local copy is an easy way to make sure you can reach your students even when Canvas isn't accessible. Start by opening your course in Canvas, and on the right-hand side, select the Course Analytics button. Across the top of the Analytics page, choose the Students tab. Then, select the download icon on the far right. This creates a zip file which you can open to access a CSV. Open the CSV to see a spreadsheet with student names, email addresses, and other details. You can open the file in your preferred spreadsheet application, copy your student contact info, and email them when needed. Here's a tip. For an accurate roster, consider downloading this after the add drop deadline each semester. Need help? Visit the link for additional support.